No matter if your customers buy your products online or in your brick and mortar shop, receiving jewelry from you should be an exceptional experience. Use your carrier bag or a postal box to give your customers a unique unboxing experience. A neatly packed carrier bag with a few added surprises or freebies works really well. Here I show you how you can turn a carrier bag into a gift bag. Use a matching box and bag to create a coordinated brand identity. Use tissue paper. It looks nice and it works well as a filler for carrier bags. Branded polishing cloths are just brilliant. It is something your customers might actually use, in other words, something they'll likely keep. Adding sweeties is a sure winner too. You don't have to send your jewelry in a boring zipper bag or a bubble mailer. Turn your parcel into something special, just like they would in the shops, and give your customers a fantastic unboxing experience. Here I show you what you could do to upscale a very simple postal box. Print the postal box with a logo or a greeting. You could encourage your customers to tag you when they share their newly arrived purchases on Instagram. You could also print instructions on how to properly care for your jewelry, or something else entirely. Use tissue paper as a filler for your box and fold it neatly. Add the jewelry boxes to the postal box and add a few sweeties. You can seal the tissue paper with a printed label or just simply fold over the paper. There's room for a few more freebies on top of the tissue paper. Another idea for a heightened unboxing experience would be to give your customers the products needed for creating a gift wrap. One that even matches your brand identity. Simply add a gift bag or a carrier bag, a piece of ribbon and a gift enclosure card. Encourage your customers to reuse the tissue paper wrapper. They can add the gift enclosure card to the bag using the ribbon you provided. Help your customers on their way by adding instructions or a postcard showing the finished gift wrap. You decide how your unboxing experience should be. On our website you can find loads of inspiration and ideas for using different unboxing experiences. See you at westpac.com.